In Oracle Digital Assistant, you can effortlessly integrate with your preferred large language model provider. Start by creating a REST service that points to the large language model AI service of your choice. In this example, while setting up Cohere, we complete the configuration details, including the necessary bearer authentication token. As with any other REST service, we need to test it to verify all is working. Before utilizing this service in a skill, we must create input and output handlers. This is done with a custom component where you can choose the type transformation. We supply transformations of Cohere and OCI generative AI and allow you to define additional custom transformations for other LLM services. Once the service is deployed, you can move to the next step, which is configuring your skill. You go to the Configuration tab and create the service to be used inside your skill, where you choose the REST service and the respective transformation handler. Let's look at a sample implementation where we will use the LLM to help us in generating a job requisition. The LLM is available as a component in the dialog flow under Service Integration. The Invoke LLM component has a palette where we can perform all the necessary configurations. The Prompt Builder offers us the means to define and test our prompt. We can use parameters that are replaced with values from the user input at runtime. We can test the output and work on the prompt from this UI. The configuration palette offers many more parameters that we can make use of, including a JSON schema to enforce the correct input, while also using entities to validate the output, declaratively enhancing the control over your LLM interaction. In the Conversation Tester, we can see how all of these components work together.